So hello everyone, I am Sandeep as a Blender guy. In my channel, you can find the video what I've done previously. But in the comments, I can see many people are asking the proper tutorial. I mean, how you have done it? What was your inspiration? What is your reference? And in detail, I'll tell you who am I and what I've done. But coming to this video, so I just want to show you what made me to do this video, and I mean my reference. So I just want to I was randomly checking Behance. I have a habit of always seeing images in Pinterest, Behance, and uh, the other platforms, like even also in Instagram, and I save images whichever I feel like, are good, and it's like a reference for me. So let me quickly show you. This was the image which I have seen in the Behance. This was the image, and which made me to do that one. See, when I was seeing this, I felt like it's wow. This is the breaking and the coloring, everything. I take paintings as a reference, 2D art, starting right from the career. Yeah. And when I found this sculpture, that like I felt like I have this one. I have this 3D model. Uh, let's do the same thing. Like, yeah. Then so in my previous video, I mean, what I've uploaded, it was like I was showing you. Sorry for that. So since this is my first tutorial, I'll be doing a lot more in the coming days. Yeah. So I was trying to show like a time lapse what I've done. Let me unpack this first. Unpack all into files. So bit textures. I can't tell this is a complete procedural. I mean, there are many videos. I mean, you can see in the channel which has a procedural. In this, I used this hand painted image. I have created one crack. Uh, how does this help me? I'll show you. This image I used for the cracking. I mean, the black part is the gold one, and the white part will be the regular marble. So let me quickly show you. Yeah. So the shaders blend, this is, and the marble. Yeah. So I'm just control shift click. Okay. If this doesn't work, go to preferences and add-ons. There is a node wrangler. Yeah, just switch on this, and also node arrange. Yeah, and just refresh. Now you can control shift click on the image, and you can see this is a normal map. Okay, this is a Voronoi I've used for breaking. Well, see the color blend of this one. Better if I show you here. Yeah, so it's like, a blend of cream color and a white color. Yeah, so I used this Voronoi, and I mixed two colors, and I've given to the principled BSDF shader. Okay, and then I got an image along with this model, like a normal map, and I also used noise texture. You can see the small dots here, and again I blended them both. As you can see here, there are both now. So with that, oops, this is your marble. Let me, I mean, on the whichever node you want to see how does it works, you just need to click Control Shift and diffuse. Sorry, Control Shift and click. I mean, this is the material I used for occlusion. See, this is the occlusion again. It only works here. Since this has a displacement, it's showing in prior. So with this ramp, I have controlled wherever I want this dirt to be. If I press 0, it fits in my. So this is the way I have created a marble. Is that okay? Let me disconnect this displacement, so you just only see the marble. The advantage of Blender is, you can we can see it in the viewport. Switch off, and I'll show the lighting also once. Most of the people want me to, how did I do the shading work? So this is my basic marble. See, you can see the dust driven by this occlusion ramp. So these are the areas I want this dirt to be. So in my mix shader, I have given this. And coming to the gold material, this is my gold material. Again, here there is a Voronoi. I mixed two colors here, and I've connected to a principled BSDF. Yeah, you can feel the bump because I know it will be visible in the little crack, the black part thing. So I've given the huge bump here. So this is the noise. Yeah. So again, in the same way, I want this glossy, and I mixed both. There will be a sheen on it. You can see right, I'm mixing this both again with the just like a break. This will be zero roughness, okay, and this will be more like metallic. Okay, I'm mixing this both to create some variation. And now my gold shader is ready and my marble shader is ready. I want to blend them. As I've shown you previously, I have created one hand crack map. You can do it based upon your model. And let me so I just adjusted however I feel like it's good. I've taken it once again and blended 2 times. See, you can see the multiply add here, and then again I've connected to this color ramp just to adjust this white and black values, and then same thing is used for displacement and also the marble. Now you can see the wherever the black is there in the image, there will be a gold here. I just blended it. And again I want to connect this for the depth purpose. Now you will get the depth. The gold goes inside, as you can see here. The gold part goes inside and the marble part will be outside. So I hope you all now okay with what I have done and what is my third process doing this. I hope you all like this. If you like it, give it a like and subscribe the channel. I'm I'm going to make detailed videos of whatever videos I have done till today, and I'll try to explain and I'll show you the reference. And I love procedural shading, and I'll be doing a series of videos how I do a procedural shading, how I create materials, and no, I mean, all the nodes thing. So this is like a basic one, not much notes. I'll tell you in detail procedural shading in the next coming series. I hope you all guys like this. So bye bye.